In this class, let us learn characteristics of a diode. It is a study of variation of current with voltage. First, let us see forward characteristics. In this case, the diode is forward biased. P side is connected to positive and N side is connected to negative of the battery. The voltage across the diode, that is forward voltage, is measured by a voltmeter. The current through the diode, that is forward current, is measured by milliammeter. It is seen that when the voltage is less than V0, that is a threshold voltage, current is 0. When the voltage exceeds V0, the current increases significantly. This is because when the applied voltage overcomes the barrier potential, diode conducts. When the applied voltage is less than the barrier potential, the diode doesn't conduct or the current is 0. So the two important features are, when the applied voltage V less than V0 threshold voltage, current is 0. When V greater than V0, current increases significantly. So we can conclude a diode conducts when the applied voltage exceeds barrier potential. Now let us say reverse characteristics. In reverse characteristics, diode is reverse biased. P side is connected to negative and N side is connected to positive of the battery. The reverse voltage is measured by voltmeter and the reverse current is measured by microammeter because the current is very small. So in reverse characteristics, you can see the reverse voltage is negative and the reverse current is also considered negative. Here the current is very small, and when the voltage reaches a high value, for example 100 volts, the current increases sharply. And this voltage is known as breakdown voltage. So the important features are, the current is very small and remains constant with the change in voltage. And this current is known as reverse saturation current. But when the voltage reaches breakdown voltage VBR, the current increases sharply. But the diode gets destroyed due to overheating. So in reverse biasing, there is a precaution, that is applied voltage should be less than the breakdown voltage. So the characteristics of the diode can be drawn like this. This is the forward characteristics and this is the reverse characteristics. And we can find the resistance of the diode. Dynamic resistance of a diode RD is equal to change in voltage by change in current. In forward biasing, the change in current is large, so the resistance is small. But in reverse biasing, the change in current is very small, so the resistance is large. So we can say in forward bias, dynamic resistance is small, and in reverse bias, resistance of the diode is very large. For an ideal diode, resistance is 0 in forward biasing and infinity in reverse biasing. So we can conclude a diode conducts in forward biasing and doesn't conduct in reverse biasing. Thank you.